everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Today it was Dumi's Likli Princess Likuwe birthday. The wife, Dr. Zipho Zenkosi, took it to her Instagram page to celebrate her birthday. Caption, happy birthday to my only princess. I love you more than anything in this world. I will always be by your side. Hashtag Liku turns 8. Hashtag Likli Mkokstad. Last year on the same day, Dumi Mkokstad shared on his Instagram page an image of himself and his daughter Likuwe wishing her a happy birthday. That was the first time he shared that he is a father. Their daughter, guys, is so cute. We wish her all the best. If you love Dumi Mkokstad's beautiful family, send some love on the comment section. Please enjoy Likuwe singing her father's song Zipho Zenkosi. Bye.
Tastes like Johnny. The spice of a new year.
This is from a well-loved 2011 Chevrolet Spark, driven by 37-year-old female who paid only $285 a month to insure it. And Smooth is a 2008 VW Polo Classic, driven by 38-year-old male who pays only $362 a month. Is your car older than 5 years, not financed, and valued under $125,000? Then SMS car to 38221 for a quote. Outsurance Essential. Custom design, price just right.
Zipelo Sulini, Zipho Zenkosi, Zipho Zenkosi, Zipelo Sulini, Zipho Zenkosi,
Showmax to your DSTV compact subscription.
Unkinikile, Tandim,
Before season 5.
Unkinikile,
Our lovely couple.
Zipho